In this video, we will discuss about how to convert a galvanometer into a voltmeter. So, G be the galvanometer resistance, and the series resistance we will add is R, and Ig be the galvanometer current, and V is the maximum voltage that the voltmeter can measure, that we want to convert, that is V, and Vg is the potential difference across galvanometer, which is also equal to galvanometer current into galvanometer resistance. So V by Vg is denoted as N, and V equal to galvanometer current into the series equivalent of these two resistance, and Vg is Ig into G. And relation between R, G and N is this. So let's try to solve some examples. Galvanometer of resistance 10 ohm gives full scale deflection for a current of 10 milliampere. How this can be converted into a voltmeter of 0 to 5 volt. So G is 10 ohm given. Full scale deflection current means galvanometer current. So Ig is equal to 10 milliampere, that means 10 into 10 to the minus 3 ampere. And voltmeter of range this. So we will take the maximum value, as I mentioned, the maximum voltage. So we will take V as 5. So first we will calculate Vg, that is Ig into G. So 10 into 10 to the minus 3 into 10. So this will be equal to 0.1 volt. So N is basically V by Vg, that means 5 by 0.1, that is 50. So R is equal to N minus 1 into G, that is 50 minus 1 into G is 10. So this is 490 ohm. So we have to add a 490 ohm resistance in series with the galvanometer resistance to convert it into a voltmeter. Moving on to our next example. A galvanometer of resistance 150 ohm shows a full scale deflection of current 20 milliampere. What is the resistance that should be connected in series with it to get a galvanometer, to get a voltmeter of range 0 to 30 volt? So V equal to the higher limit 30, as I've discussed in previous example. G is 150 galvanometer resistance, and full scale deflection Ig is equal to 20 milliampere, that means 20 into the minus 3 ampere. So first we will calculate Vg, G into Ig, 150 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is equal to 3 volt. So N is equal to V by Vg, that means 30 by 3, that is 10. So the series resistance required is N minus 1 into G. So 10 minus 1 into 150, that is 1350 ohm. So this resistance must be connected in series with the galvanometer resistance to convert it into a 0 to 30 volt voltmeter. Thank you.